Here he comes. That means that I'm hopping in the passenger seat very, very soon. Kind of nervous, but not really, so I'll be safe. But should be good fun in the passenger seat.
How many dudes you know roll like this? How many dudes you know flow like this? Not many, if any. Not many, if any. How many dudes you know got the skills to go and rock a show like this? I don't know anybody. Check to the mic, check 1, 2.
Here it is, the Mighty XL. All loaded up on the trailer, ready to head off to Malala. I cannot wait to sit passenger in this thing. All right, we're about to Malala with Dustin Media.
Hey guys, just got here, about to unpack everything and go out for some hot laps.
Yeah, to be wicked. So, only XL's on track today. It's a passenger ride day. You might recognize this thing from one of my interview videos. This is Cameron's car. What a good looking livery this one has. I don't know if I trust this guy to drive me around.
Dodgy content, hey? That's dodgy.
Alright, we're about to sign on for the passenger ride. Got to do all the formalities. Oh, check this thing out. Didn't expect to see a GTR here.
It's a pretty standard track day with the exception that it is open pit lane today. So I'll run through just a couple of refreshers.
First passenger's buckling up. How's that? I'll tell you what, I'm pumped to get a ride on one of these things. Alright, a couple more XLs are heading off, but that's almost all of them on track right now. Should be a whole lot of fun. See Cameron coming through there. Someone hot in his tail, hot in pursuit. Oh, here comes one now. So they are almost flat out through this turn 1 here. And if you hit the curb, you can get your back right wheel out. And it's pretty exciting to watch. Here we go. Oh, they're pretty quick through the corners, these things. So I think Matthew, he was saying that around Bathurst, they're only 10 Ks off the supercars. And they're on pace with GT3 cars, at least in the top part of the mountain. Of course, in the straight, they get dusted. All right, I've got to chuck on this hairnet. Hopefully I don't look too stupid. Oh, mate, how's this? I'm looking incredible with my shower cap. This is the price you got to pay if you forget your balaclava. It's what you got to do. Have a ride in the Beastos. Alrighty, chucking in a speed garage sticker on. Look at that. Look at that.
All right, mate.
Go time, is it?
Go time.
Go time.
Speed and power.
Oh.
Speed and power. Oh, how was that?
How was that?
Oh.
All right. Righty.
All right, we're
Fired up.
We're strapped in and ready to go.
Ready to go. Heading out.
All good?
Of course.
That's a very tight corner.
Yeah. brakes are so strong.
They're good, aren't they? This car's one of our slower cars. Mine's faster, but it's still in
Oh, here's the other one heading out.
That was good.
Man, that's a whole bunch of fun.
It's a lot of fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it grips so well in the corners.
It definitely is a whole different experience, that's for sure.
Oh, absolutely.
Let's go park her up.
Yeah, back to the garage. All right, back to my first drive. That was a blast and a half. The thing grips so well in the corners and the brakes are just mental. I've never been in a race car before, so I don't have much to compare it to, but it was pretty bloody quick. I've had a heap of technical difficulties with my microphone, so I finally got it working after about 20 minutes of stuffing around. But yeah, other than that, mate, it's been a great day. Really enjoying it so far. Good to see all the cars zipping around track. Here comes Matt. That's crazy. Oh. They just grip so well through the corners. Yeah, here comes Cameron again. Here he goes. Oh. All right, we're branding the XL. Here we go. So, you can chuck a nice sticker on here, right by the bumper. If the wind would settle down, that'd be awesome. Yeah, here we go. Look at that. Looks wicked. Not too bad. While I'm waiting to go on track next, I'm going to do a quick little walk around and check out what sort of cars we've got in the garages. It's fun to watch them zip around the track. They hook up and just grip in the corners so well. Yeah, heaps of XLs over here. Another one going out on track. They're pretty quick. I don't know much to compare it to, but they're not slow, that's one thing for sure. And especially on the brakes, man, they are quick. Like, they come to a stop so fast. You know, obviously it helps them being light, but yeah, they halt up really well. Now, I've just spotted across the paddock something pretty ridiculous. It's a limousine. How cool is this thing? Lifted tires, everything. Oh, some of the rally cars, I think. That is so cool. Okay, got the wicked hairnet back on and the long sleeve shirt, which I didn't know was mandatory. Ready to go out, feel the wind in my hair, or maybe not that. Righty, got the helmet on. He's not quite pulled in yet, but he's on his last lap, so we'll be on track very shortly.
How are you feeling, Max?
Very excited. Second time in the XL, but this is a different one from last time. It's Cameron's. Should be a good, fun time. Hello, Cameron.
Hey, mate.
Not too bad. such good fun. I had an absolute blast. Alright, it turns out there was an oil spill on turn 5 and 6 from the car that came off earlier in the clip, so racing's on pause for a bit.
$20 and the kart drum is located at the final corner, right along.
Yeah, that. Time to sign up for go-karts soon. Should be good fun. Racing against some of these guys and the professional drivers, so there'll be a bit of a gap in skill between me and them, but with you guys, I don't know if we're talking about you, mate, but you're getting there. All right, we're heading over to register for the go-karting. I'm so excited for this, but I'm gonna get absolutely smoked because I'm a good driver, but I'm not as good as some of the guys I'm racing against today. All right, I've just registered for the go-karts. There are a couple preparing right now to be driven, but I'm super excited for this. Should be a whole bunch of fun. I'm not entirely sure where the track is, but these guys are ready to head out soon. And I don't believe that they're going on the main track. Right, so it looks like the go-karts run on a modified version of the normal track. So where the cones are there, they take a right turn, and then they head up into a little bit of a twisty, and then come back onto the main part of the circuit. But oh, big overtake there. Looks like a heap of fun. I'm so excited for it. Woo. Only just, bro. Huh? Only just got me. All right, session's done. Let's see what time I got. Oh, I got 5th. I beat you. Because was my fastest lap better than yours? Dude, I'm happy with that though. 5th place. Look at that. Hold on. Hold on.
It wasn't too far from you.
No, I'm pretty happy with 5th place, so I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, 51.
I only just got you.
Not too bad.
Shit, I'm happy with that. I was expecting a worse result, but you know what?
Hang on.
All right.
After he spun off at the end, trying to overtake me.
Because you were in my way the whole time.
How come you literally got past me and then you spun?
Well, because I was affording too much space, and as you can see, there's dirty track on the. Are you holding the mic out for me?
I'm getting the conversation on.
All right, no, just get a scrap. Hang on, Ocon.
No, but I'm happy with my result, 5th place. I'll take it.
You cooked.
I didn't do too bad. I'm not a professional driver by any means, but look, 5th place. I beat a couple good drivers, so look, there's the big train and go-karts going along. But yep, 5th place. There we go. After a good feed, it was just about time to go home. All right, the sun is starting to set a little bit. Old mate Ethan's showing off his fastball. Okay guys, that's the end of the day. Sun's just about fully down. It's 9 o'clock. It's been a action-packed time. I've had a heap of fun, met some awesome people, had some good experience, and I did a pretty bloody good job on the go-karting, if I do say so myself. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Of course, subscribe and